You are managing a SQL Server instance installed on an Azure Virtual Machine. You want to automate database index maintenance using a SQL Server Agent job. To adhere to the principle of least privilege, what specific Windows security right must be granted to the account running the SQL Server Agent service? Option A, increase scheduling priority. Option B, log on as a service. Option C, profile system performance. Option D, log on as a batch job.
This question focuses on how Windows manages background processes. In the Windows operating system, services are programs designed to run in the background without requiring an active, interactive user session. When you assign a specific user account to run such a service, the system requires that account to hold particular security rights to ensure it can start and function securely. Identifying the precise right needed for a service to run unattended is essential for secure configuration.
I believe the correct answer is option B, log on as a service. This right is the mandatory requirement for any account tasked with running a Windows service. It provides the account with the authorization to start and execute processes in the background, independently of an interactive user. This is the minimum privilege necessary for the SQL Server Agent to function correctly, which aligns with the principle of least privilege. The other options are incorrect because they are unrelated to the core requirements of starting a background service. Increasing scheduling priority, profiling performance, or logging on as a batch job do not grant the service the right to execute its startup routine. When managing SQL Server on Azure VMs, always confirm the service account permissions in the local security policy. As a tip, always ensure your service accounts are dedicated and limited only to the specific rights they require.